Let's do this question, students. Evaluate integral 50 to 100 ln x over ln x positive ln of 150 negative x times dx. I'm going to show you two ways to solve this question. The first way would be the longer way. So we know that integral a to b f of x times dx is equal to integral a to b f of a positive b negative x times dx. So this is the property we just saw a minute ago. So I will be using this property. So foremost, let me just take, let I be equal to integral 50 to 100 ln x over ln x positive ln of 150 negative x times dx. So if I were to use this property, I can rewrite this in the following fashion. So clearly you can see that wherever we have x has been replaced by a positive b negative x, right? You can clearly see that in place of x I've got a positive b negative x. That is exactly what I'm going to do. So this is equal to, now we have, from, if I were to mention this as 2, now we have from 2 or by 2, you can use whatever phrase that you wish to place here. Of course, I am sure that you are able to catch the meaning that I am trying to infer here. So I would be equal to integral 50 to 100 ln of a positive b. So 50 plus 100 negative x divided by ln of 50 positive 100 negative x positive ln of, in place of x I would be substituting 50 positive 100 negative x times dx. So this is equal to integral 50 to 100 ln of 100, 50 added with 100 would give us 150 negative x divided by, this is going to be ln of 150 negative x positive 50 added with 100 would give us 150. We got a negative sign, so this would get cancelled with these two elements, and you got a negative x followed by a negative sign which is preceding the negative x. So that would mean you will have ln of x times dx. So this is equal to I. Now if I were to take this as 1 and take this as 3, because I've taken this as 2, so adding 1 and 3 we get, so what do we get? I added with I, this would be 2i is equal to ln of this quantity 50 to 100 ln of x over ln of x positive ln of 150 negative x times dx positive this quantity integral 50 to 100 ln of 150 negative x divided by ln of 150 negative x positive ln x times dx. The denominator is one and the same, and thereby we can club them. So we got 2i is equal to integral 50 to 100 ln x positive ln of 150 negative x divided by ln x positive ln of 150 negative x times dx. So clearly you can see that the numerator and the denominator can be cancelled, giving us 2i is equal to integral 50 to 100 times dx. If I integrate this, I get x, the limits are 50 to 100. Substitute the upper limit minus the lower limit. So if I were to push the 2 down, you would get I is equal to 100 negative 50 divided by 2. So remember, this is the standard formula. So I can also represent this formula as I is equal to b negative a divided by 2. Of course, the solution can easily be obtained once we apply this, but I just want to show you how exactly we are able to get this. So this is going to be 50 over 2, which is equal to 25. So what is the solution? So therefore, when you integrate 50 to 100 ln x over ln x positive ln of 150 negative x times dx, you get 25. That's a value. Probably you can write it as 25 units. So this is the solution for this question. And we will move on to the next question. Students, we will draw our red line.